Welcome to Napili Villas 1907. It has vaulted ceilings and was beautifully remodeled in 2019. We have waterproof HDPC vinyl plank flooring. There's Levolor shutters in the living area and in the master bedroom, and we have one wall AC, 2 covered lanais with roll-down shades, and this one has an ocean view. And also a storage out on the lanai. The dining area has a siege ceiling fan and also includes a computer workstation with a wall-mounted monitor. There's a teak wood island and natural quartzite countertops, cherry wood Kraftmaid cabinets with pewter pools, high-end KitchenAid appliances, and also includes a beverage refrigerator. Plenty of storage. And the washer and dryer is there on the left. Passing by the second bathroom here and the second bedroom. The ensuite master bedroom includes a walk-in closet and plush carpet. The Levolor shutters and a shared lanai. The master bathroom is original but in excellent condition. We have plush carpet in both the master and second bedroom. That was upgraded in 2019. Here is the shared lanai with the garden view. It's a full-size reach-in closet, ceiling fan, and also included is a wall-mounted television. The second bath has tile floors, quartzite counter, a bamboo vanity, and a porcelain sink. This unit comes with 2 dedicated parking spots, and this area has wonderful trade winds to keep the temperature just right. Nearby you've found great beaches and amenities such as the Napili Market, restaurants, cafes, and more.